So the REFHYNE project is a collaboration between ITM and Linde Engineering and Shell, and it's to deploy the world's largest PEM electrolyzer of size 100 megawatts at Shell's energy and chemicals park in the Rhineland near Cologne. So first of all, what's an electrolyzer? So an electrolyzer is a device that you use to split water using renewable power. And the product that you make from an electrolyzer is green hydrogen. And green hydrogen is nature's net zero fuel. So if you make hydrogen by splitting water using renewable power, there is no carbon in its entire supply chain. And what we're doing is using green hydrogen in the Rhineland to replace hydrogen, which is made using natural gas. So you're replacing the feedstock from it being natural gas to it being renewable power. And at the location, we are going to be making sustainable aviation fuel. The most important part of the project is that by scaling up electrolysis, you reduce costs. So it's about scaling so that we can increase the volume manufacturing and drive out costs. And you know, green hydrogen is an incredibly important element in the energy transition. In fact, it's been noted around the world that you can't get to net zero unless you can decarbonize the industries that use natural gas. And this is a net zero replacement for natural gas. And so finally, I'd say that if you look at the IEA report, it will tell you that to get to net zero by 2050, the world needs 3,500 gigawatts of electrolysis. A very large amount of electrolysis to replace all of that natural gas with green hydrogen. And you can see in the diagram the scale up. So REFHYNE I, which is a 10 megawatt electrolyzer, making 1% of the hydrogen required at that Shell location, was based on 2 megawatt modules. And we're now moving to a 5 megawatt module with a scale up of an order of magnitude. REFHYNE I, which is the first part of our project, was to deploy 10 megawatts of electrolysis at the energy and chemicals park in the Rhineland. So we've just started producing green hydrogen. And in about 2.5 years' time, we will have up and running the world's largest PEM electrolyzer of 100 megawatts in size. And so our decarbonisation journey will go up by an order of magnitude in that timescale. So I think, you know, one of the things about green hydrogen is it can be deployed quickly and at scale. And so we will have significant results, I think, over the next couple of years. Yeah, I certainly have thought about it. So I think all the partners involved in REFHYNE are very keen on promoting green hydrogen and engaging with the public. We're all very active on social media. I think that, you know, as a net zero replacement for natural gas, green hydrogen is a very versatile molecule and would not only be used in industry, but of course can be used in transport and indeed for replacing natural gas in the gas grid. So in terms of touching the public and their perception, transport and heating is obviously important as well. So we do a lot on social media to promote green hydrogen. And in fact, currently at COP26, ITM is funding the Hydrogen Schools program, where 2,000 school children are building hydrogen vehicles using green hydrogen produced at the school with solar and electrolysis and building electric drivetrains. So our engagement at the level of school children, the level of the public, is from all of our partners in REFHYNE is very, very strong.